Friends, greetings from La Palma. I am on the top of Montana Triana. It's close to Los Llanos. Los Llanos is behind my back. Over there you see Los Llanos, and there you see the volcano. Still erupting, big mushroom as you see today on November 30th. And there you see the ocean. Town of Tazacorte is that way. El Paso is just next to the volcano. Over there is amazing views we have from here, and I did one flight, very successful. I filmed all the houses, all the lava flows that went over La Laguna as excellent spot from here to launch a flight. So it was really nice. This I bought in in Scotland, in Edinburgh. You see, historical Scottish shop is called, or something like that. And already wearing it here on La Palma. So I'm not from Iceland, I'm from Scotland now. Well, actually, I'm neither from Iceland or from Scotland. I'm originally from Ukraine, but I'm Icelandic citizen, so Icelandic nationality, but Ukrainian born. Anyway, let's take a look at the volcano from here. So really a nice view from the top of Montana Triana. And let's zoom in. See the volcano. See a lot of ash. Well, it looks like, well, comparatively, because it was much more before we couldn't see the blue skies like today. So it's like concentrated above the volcano, mainly like the mushroom cloud. So it's not so bad. And I fly a drone and I didn't see much expansion here close to La Laguna. There was expansion here that I didn't explore this area yet. This area remains yet unexplored, but there had been expansion, lava expansion, primarily here. You see, close to the volcano, not far from the volcano, lava spilled to the north, and it destroyed some houses in that area. So you see those houses blocked by lava from all the sides. There is no noise from the volcano like it used to be. It's a kind of nice. It's nice that there is no noise. People can live in peace, because before it was so bad that people couldn't sleep. They had to move away from here, you know. But now it's peaceful. Anyway, this is the situation today on November 30th from Montana Triana. And that is the volcano. Let's zoom in. You see there are two rivers going, well, you saw them in previous video, and now the left stream split in two pieces, but there is a vent behind the volcano and lava is shooting in the area, but you can't see it well from here, but it is shooting in the air there, you know. Can see it well in the night, because in the night all the lava gets exposed due to the darkness. So this neighborhood is called Tahuya. This neighborhood here on the top, close to the volcano, that's where we have the church, from where we see the ongoing eruption. The church is here. You see the church there. Somewhere there is a church. Yeah, here is a church. No. Well, I'm confused. So from so great distance. Anyway, that's where we go to see the volcano, from the church, somewhere there. And this is the view. There are lots of banana plantations all around. This is Laguna here. You see. And I didn't see any hot flows through all these lava fields here. At least I didn't even see from the air. I was pretty low, flying over very low. I don't see. Maybe it's moving underground. I don't know. But something is burning here. You see something is smoking there, I don't know what. There is a house island there. Like those houses are completely blocked. I saw even cars that are inside. I don't understand why people don't remove the cars when lava is coming. Some cars are just left behind. So many burned cars. Strange. So this is Montana Laguna. I'm not sure if people live in here, but I hear many dogs barking. So this is how it looks from the top here. Lava went to the ocean there. You will see it from the air. We already did the flight there. We explored this lava entry into the ocean. We already fly there, so you'll see it. And that's how it is situation today from Montana Triana. Nice spot, actually, very beautiful spot to film. And there, this is El Paso on the hill. You see, we will make a flight, nice flight above El Paso, and I will show you the town. That's where I stayed last night in the hostel. If you are a young person who wants to see the volcano, just go to the hostel in El Paso, Casa Encantada. There are many volcano explorers who walk in the forest, so who will tell you all the trails, and they did incredible things. There are people who stay there. It's always adventure. It's a home of the adventurous people. El Paso Hostel. There you will meet every type of eccentric people who go by their own rules, who don't follow the laws, so to say. Well, people have freedom, but we have to respect the state and the laws. That's very important. But young people tend to be more for freedom bound, and they do all kinds of weird things, young people nowadays. So this is a view from Montana Triana. That is on the top. There you have El Time, Mirador El Time. That's where a bushcraft bear reports somewhere from those hills. He always stand there, and actually very far from the volcano he reports. Usually see where is this El Time, Mirador El Time is like extremely far from the volcano. This mountain is much better spot to report. Actually, it's closer and it's easy to come here. So I'll be moving down. I just did the flight and did the film here. I don't think I need anything else. That's it. So my mission is done, mission completed, and time to go back to the car and drive somewhere else. At 9 o'clock I have to be 9:30 actually. I have to be in Santa Cruz to pick up Nina, because she's arriving here. She already landed. She's already in Tenerife, a direct plane, just 5.5 hours from Iceland, direct, and you are in Tenerife. It was full of Icelandic people, she told, like 60% full plane of Icelandic people, because lots of Icelandic people live in Tenerife, but not many on La Palma. There is not many foreigners. Well, some Germans live here, but it's not as popular as Tenerife, of course. So I'm going down the hill. See, it's a small hike down the hill here, and maybe I'll go home to upload the videos that I have made, because it will be hard to upload everything in the night. So I'll see. There is a trail here, very nice trail. It's like off-road hike, gravel trail, pathway. And you come down very easily, Very beautiful walk actually. Not much vegetation here on the hills of this is actually a volcano, you know. I'm on top of a volcano. It was erupting some 1,000 years ago, and it was emitting lots of lava, but now it's just bushes grow on it. The same will be with Cumbre Vieja volcano. Current will be just a hill like this sometime in the future. People will be going up there to film another volcano. So that's how it is in like volcano on volcano. Every 50 years or so here on La Palma. So there will be another one very soon again when it stops. And God knows only where and when. And how long, that's another question. So there is like Los Llanos. Los Llanos is over there. Los Llanos, like Los Angeles almost. Los Llanos. I have no clue what Llanos means. I don't know Spanish. Just hola and gracias muchas, something, just basic words. You know. Caliente, agua caliente, things like that. But I don't speak Spanish. Español, un, dos, tres, like just some very primitive Spanish. I speak some Italian, but my Italian is better. Italiano. I speak better Italian. So we are going down. That's it. Going down the hill. I hope I walk the right trail. Anyway, you can also walk just anywhere. There's so many trails here. So that's how it is here on La Palma. You see, nice island. I like it. You see, I have been here 1 month, and already this island became home for me, like second home nature. You know, after 1 month when you are in some place, you already get comfortable, and it becomes cozy to be here. Like you feel you came home. First time, of course, it's kind of stressful. You get adjusted, but time after time, you get used to surrounding, and it's easier to navigate around. So I wish you all the best. I go home. Be well. God bless you. Greetings from the volcano.